Oh, 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 oh. Namrata,
Yes, sir.
have you done all the assignments?
Uh, it's a work in progress.
Work in progress, correct.
Yes.
Nice. But you are able to do, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good. Yesterday program, I have let's just given the screenshot of that.
Yeah,
Anyone
we were
tried
having some
that?
issues. Yes, I didn't try it.
No, actually, what yesterday I was doing the mistake, as of I told you that some mistake I
Mm-hmm.
am only doing over here only. Thing
Okay.
is that, see, the main mistake what I was doing is this. It is not
Mm.
about the website problem, anything. It is my problem. I have done the mistake. It happens.
Okay.
See, we are having four methods. If I can do with a single method, why? What is the use of more three methods?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first thing. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
was trying with web element only, correct?
Yeah.
But thing is that here you can see the mistake what I was doing is, see. Oh. See here, any locators, like any web element or any attribute, it is there to pick up from this iframe. Proper anything is there. See,
Yeah.
for iframe we don't have. Okay, if you will say,
Mm-hmm.
sir, okay, here class name is there. Class is equal to W full some with 96 something is written. Fine. With the next
Yeah.
one, nothing is there.
Right.
And the website we are not making. It is being developed by the development team. But being a
Mm-hmm.
tester, we are supposed to handle all those things. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
That means we don't
Mm-hmm.
have any low attributes over here. But I was searching with the attributes. Like my mind went to search
Okay.
in a different way.
Mm-hmm.
That is the because I got disturbed. My mind went in a like different way. I was like searching only for web element. Okay. As per that, with this, I came to the first frame. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
As of
Mm-hmm.
I showed you here, we don't have any frame here. In the second one, we don't have any attribute to take.
Yeah.
In this condition, what we will do? We have to go for this indexing.
Okay.
Correct. We have to go
So
for indexing part.
first we have to find the first frame and then find the indexes of all the frames. That means
No,
like
no, it is not
every
like
frame
that.
will have index.
If we are having attributes, okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If we are having attributes, for example, with this I'm saying, if I am having attributes to switch to this frame, I'll switch with
Mm-hmm.
web element. That is good because I don't have to calculate how many frames are present. See,
Correct.
with this indexing, no, there will be a problem. What is the problem? Okay, inside a web page, we will not have multiple frames or many frames. It will be approximately around 3, 4, 5 like that. But we have to
Mm-hmm.
calculate. We
Yeah.
have to calculate because we have to switch. If we are going to switch through indexing, we have to calculate it. But what happened with this? when I was doing with this. I was not facing any issues because I am having the attribute, I'm picking up the attributes, switching to that frame using find elements
Mm-hmm.
method.
Okay.
But here, what if, because we don't have any attributes, we have to go for indexing. Now,
Okay.
now question
So,
comes, sir, where we will be using this ID or name?
okay. So first, I have a question like,
Yeah.
will it be a good practice to find out how many frames are in a particular web page before we start testing or before we proceed with finding an element, or
See,
so
coming,
we
if you'll
can
ask
completely
me,
find out where it is?
see, if you'll ask me with that,
Mm-hmm.
that's why written in third number, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Indexing is the last option to do.
Okay.
If we are not able to locate with web element, if we are not able to locate with ID or not, because if you will ask me with a sequential manner, first I would
Mm-hmm.
suggest you to go with ID or name.
Okay. Okay.
First, I would suggest with ID or name. ID or name means how we are locating with by.id, by.name. Only we are picking up the string value. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Directly
Mm-hmm.
we'll pass the value here. It is good. If ID or name is not present, go with web element.
Okay.
If web element ID name we are not able to do, go with indexing.
Mm-hmm.
That means
Okay.
with this three method, you will be able to switch to any frame present in a web page. Because
Okay.
our now our concern is only we are learning how to handle frame. But
Mm-hmm.
while doing a project, while doing a particular program, at that condition, what we will do? We don't have
Okay.
to think more. We have to handle it at any point. If we are not going to handle, exception will come, like unhandled frame exception, like that it will come.
Mm-hmm.
Clear? Got my
Okay.
point?
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Got it. Got it.
Okay. Like if anyone has not taken, can take down this, and I'll also show you with that multiple one, and the last one you will do. Okay. This one, it is there, no? Write a script to open this one and handle the frame. This one also I'll do. Last one you will do. Because why this one I'll do, I'll tell you. Clear? Take down this quickly. If anyone has not taken. Done? Okay. So multiple.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
So, uh, in the class nested iframe,
Okay.
so can you go on that class nested iframe?
Yeah.
So, if you will run this class, can you run it, please? Uh, there is a pop-up is coming in the last.
No.
So, if we need to handle that pop-up, which is having iframe again, how will we handle that pop-up? In the last, it will come.
Let's see. Like
I was
clicking after clicking on sign up. Pop-up is
yeah.
coming. Which pop-up? See,
No,
if
no, no.
I got your question. I got your question. Just a minute, I'll show you that. Mm. Just a minute. Chatbot. You're asking for this, correct? That means this is also present inside a frame.
Yeah, this scenario only.
I got to. Here, what you have to do is you have to switch to frame here only. Just a minute, I'll tell you this because it was in a topic like I was about to teach you only. It is there, no, like I'm teaching now with this handling frames. After that, it is there. What is a chatbot? How to perform operations on a chatbot? Chatbot is nothing like I'll tell you. Okay,
Okay,
just
okay. So
hold
this
with
is
this because
this
there is a topic with this.
okay,
Chat-
so it's a separate
I
scenario.
have I segregated because we
Okay.
can't say that this is a frame only because it is different. This is present. Like you can see here, if we will see here, this is present in my web page. Okay, this icon is also present in my web page. While I'll click here, it will open automatically. But my control of the Selenium is in the main page, not here. We have to switch the control to here to enter any data, or else we cannot enter. I'll tell you this. This was the question what you are asking, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we are having this topic. Once only I'll complete with this multiple iframe so that you can do with this nested iframe so that we can continue. Okay. Okay. Now, what is this multiple iframe? Coming to here. The web page is present. Inside this web page, we will be uh, guys, don't disturb. Okay. This is a web page. And inside this web page, we will be having multiple frames. Clear? Now, my question is how to navigate from this is my control of the Selenium. Okay. How to navigate from here to here? Anyone? Speak up. Anyone?
Switch to frame.
Like switching to frame using these three methods, anything. If web element, if any attribute is present using web element or ID or indexing, correct? But
Uh-huh.
now my control of the Selenium is like I have switched there. Now my control of the Selenium is present here. Done.
Uh,
But it is not present here. My question is now how to switch from here to here.
You
So
should go back to the parent frame and
Correct.
then go to
Good,
the.
good, good. That means first we have to come here to the parent frame, then we have to go to this frame. Done? Clear up to this? This is all about like we are saying that inside a page we are having multiple frames. Okay, let's do this. Hmm. Driver dot. Okay. We reached here. Next. Okay. The same condition is also here. Okay. We have to go for indexing only. You can see here, we don't have name and ID. We don't have any proper attributes. Okay. Driver dot manage dot demo dot English sheet. Wait. Them as 0. Okay. Why 0? Because indexing start from 0. Okay. Like just Java indexing starts from 0. Driver dot and driver dot switch to dot parent frame. Clear? This one I did. I'm now here. Came to parent frame. Again, I'll go to this frame. Okay. Percent is Clear? Done? Take
Yes.
down this. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, only one concept is left out, that is nested with multiple iframe, which you all will be doing. I'll be not doing that, but I'll just explain you what is this nested iframe. See, like this multiple frames will be present, but here what it will happen, inside this frame you will get a frame. That means you don't have to switch to the parent frame directly. We are having another method, that is driver dot switch to that is default content or default frame. Just a minute. Switch to default content. What this statement will do, see, this one you can use, or directly you can use with that parent frame also. It is not like that, but let it be with you. Try to use this. Okay. Default content, what it will do, if you are here, it will bring to your default frame from where you have started. If you use parent frame directly, it will bring to this parent frame. From here, again, you have to switch like this. Done. Do this program. Last one, you have to do this of your own. This one, 70. We'll get an idea. Clear up to this? Yes, no.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
What happened? Everyone keeping so quiet?
No, it takes time to unmute actually. To
Okay.
come on the another screen and unmute takes time.
Good.
Uh, So in this multiple nested frame,
Yeah.
if you want to interact with one of the frame, and the second frame has nested frame, right? In the figure that you
Yes,
have
yes.
drawn, that second.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so from the parent frame, we'll come to the first frame,
Yeah,
and we'll go back to the parent frame and come to the second frame,
correct.
which has nested. So in that nested frame, we have go if you want to go inside the further inside that frame, we have to switch to the just like switch to frame of 0, 1, like that. We have to go inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
For example, this one is your 1. Okay.
Huh. Okay.
Then what is the number of this?
2. No.
But answer
Uh-huh.
is wrong.
Okay.
Why wrong? I'll tell you.
Okay.
This is the parent frame. Okay. This outer,
Mm-hmm.
this is the parent frame. For this, because see, the web page what we are seeing, no, everything is present inside a frame. Correct. That is our default frame, what we are saying. Indirectly, we are looking to the UI within a frame. That means the control of the Selenium is always present on the web page. Correct? That
Yeah.
we consider as our parent frame, because from where we have to start a point or not. So that we consider as a parent frame. If this is my parent frame and this is a frame, correct?
Yeah.
In multiple frames, what happened? This is one frame. This is one frame. That means it is indexing as 0. It is indexing as 1.
One.
But coming to multiple nested iframe, after coming here, this frame will be considered as 0. Because I am present
Oh,
with this frame now. But these
okay.
are the frames which is present inside this frame.
Okay.
Got my
So it
point?
will be one. Okay. Again,
That
it
means
will be one.
if
If you want to.
Mhm. Just a minute. If
Okay. Sorry.
I want to switch from here to here, driver dot switch, I can do. From here to the driver dot switch also I can do. From here to back to this frame also driver dot switch will work. From here to here back also driver dot switch will work. But now my point is, if I want to switch from this frame to this frame, we
Mm-hmm.
cannot use driver dot switch. We have
Oh,
to, sorry, like we can use, but we have to go for this parent frame, because first
okay.
of all we have to come to the parent frame. From this parent frame we will go to this frame.
Mm-hmm.
This is about this multiple nested iframe.
Okay.
But inside the second box,
Hmm.
where you have two more red boxes,
Yeah,
to to go in these iframes, we can first from the parent iframe, we can go to the second iframe. Then from there, we can do driver dot switch for the for it,
yeah, we can.
right?
Yeah,
Here we don't need to do again default or parent.
no. See, default and default you leave it, it will like create a confusion. Go for direct parent. Okay. Just there is a method which I have told you, go for direct parent. That's good actually. But yes, why to use parent from? If you'll tell me, see, driver dot switch we can use here, but why I'm saying about this parent frame is, if multiple frames are there, you have not counted on which frame you are right now, how to come back? In that condition, what you will do, directly type driver dot switch to parent frame. Anywhere the control of the frame will be there, it will directly come to the parent frame. Then from here again you can switch, you can go.
Okay, so are you trying to say that default is, I think I just Googled, so default is for the immediate parent, I think, and parent,
Immediate parent.
uh,
That's what I told you, no? Like
okay.
if I am present, this is my parent frame. Okay. Immediate parent frame means these are the child frames of this frame.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That means these red boxes are the child frame of this frame. To
Mm-hmm.
come to the immediate parent, that means this is the parent one.
Okay.
I can use this default content.
And parent frame will be the
Parent
super
frame means
parent
directly it will bring you to the main page.
main page. Okay.
Because to come here, you are using driver dot switch to frame with a index 0 or 1, you are switching to here. That means inside that frame, we are having multiple nested frames.
Okay, got it, sir.
But moreover, see, why I'm saying is not to get confused. Default content is the same thing what you told, and that is the correct one also. But if you can use that, it's good. Or else directly if we'll go for parent frame, that is better. Not to get confused.
Okay.
This with these four methods, to you can handle any of the frame, because see, we if there is a proper attribute using web element, you can switch. If there is a string ID or name, you can switch or index. This parent frame is for from traveling from backward. Like if you are in any of the frame, directly come down to the parent frame, directly switch to any frame which you want.
But suppose if we are on the orange iframe,
Okay.
in case, and we did driver dot switch to parent frame, we
Okay.
will reach outside, and
Correct.
again want to go in the inner this orange iframe, then we cannot go there, right? We have to
Why?
first
We
we
have
have
to
to
switch
come
again.
to the parent this black one, second
No,
one.
no. If you write on this parent frame, no, we'll come down to the web page directly. From there, again we will switch.
Okay. Okay.
Once you will try, you will get that idea. See, explaining the concept, how much I will explain, you will get only 60 to 70% for sure. But
After.
after more to do more, you have to do work on that. See, on yesterday I was doing that mistake. I accepted also because I was trying something different on my mind because I was like my mind was disturbed. I was just trying to like switch using only with web element. But here we cannot go with the web element because I don't have any proper attribute. I don't have a name and ID. How I will switch? That is the thing. See, while using what I told you right now is the scenarios for to use all those things I told you. Okay, what are the expected scenarios? But while doing in the live project, you will face the original scenarios what are there. But you have to use your brain and logic to use which method over there. But the work should be done. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Done with your frames. Do with that multiple nested iframe. Only that thing you have to do this 70 number. Okay.
Sir, I need screenshot for the multiple frames one. Yeah. And one for the ISATC one as well.
ICTC one, ICTC not done anything.
Oh, sorry. I thought I missed something.
No.
Okay. Thank you. Done.
Hey, someone was asking about that IRCTC. Done that one?
That one I was asking. So I have like in middle of the thing, so I'm doing that.
Okay, once you have done,
Yeah,
give
yeah,
me a screenshot of that.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move forward. Okay. Guys, what do you mean by chatbot? Namrata? She will scold me after some time.
No, sir.
Okay, what do you mean by chatbot?
So basically, it is a feature which helps you navigate or answer your questions based on AI thing. Like
Correct.
it gathers information and gives it to you.
Give me a website for that.
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. No, that is not ChatGPT.
So usually nowadays, almost every website
Yeah,
comes with a chatbot.
Yeah, the
Like
assistants.
we saw in HDFC Bank, they have one chatbot, or in IRCTC, they had one chatbot.
correct. Chatbot is an very weak in English. You guys will teach me. You're from like outside now. AI application. You, Sumi, then I forgot name. Sika. What is an
I
app?
started my education from Hindi medium, so not would be like not a lot of help from that side.
How's the users to vision via message? This is the definition of chatbot. Chatbot is an AI application that allows the users to communicate with the application via message. Done? Okay. Take down the screenshot. Then we'll go inside. Let me pick a chatbot example. I'm not getting chatbot anywhere. Air India. Hmm. Okay. See. Driver is equal to new of Rome driver. Driver dot get duration. will be now see what issue we will face, then I'll do the program. Okay. I have to click here first. Let me look at this. Amrata, what is the return type of click?
Would it be a Boolean value?
Oh,
Yes or no?
no. What is the return type?
Void.
Right.
Next. I'm a mad person. I'll ask like this. Add is equal to
It's okay, sir. You should ask more.
okay. Driver dot. What is the return type of this? Sumi. What is the return type of driver dot find element?
Web element. Mm,
Hey, let it be
Web
wrong.
elements. Web elements.
Good.
Okay, sorry, I was trying to unmute. That's why it took long.
Sure. Not an issue. It will throw you a beautiful exception now. Element click intractable. Oh, just a minute. Okay. This we will handle that also. But if answer throw. See, threads are not mandatory that much how much I am using. Just to show you the execution, I'm using more threads, okay? But while doing programs, try not to use more threads. Huh? Okay. Why we got the answer here? Someone was asking me this doubt, correct? Hey, who
Yeah,
was asking this doubt? Tell me now.
I only was asking.
Sikha, okay. Now you say me why I got the answer here. That thing I want to know from you. See, I have not handled the frame. Have I used any driver dot switch to you like frame?
No,
No, but I'm able to handle it. Reason behind that asking.
because
Is it
it's
not a different frame? Is it within our application?
Correct. That means as of we know what happens if this is in some of the cases you will get that. Okay. Uh, I'll try to find out some of the websites for you for this chat like a chatbot. What it will happen,
I think
this
we
will be present inside a frame. In that condition, what you have to do, you have to switch your control from here to here, then only you can enter. Because this one is of the present frame. Okay. But that after getting this, it will be present under a iframe. But here what happens directly, we have clicked it and directly I have entered the text. Got my point? There are two, what is chatbot we got to know, and there are two ways to handle a chatbot. If it is not present inside a frame, we can directly locate and enter the datas over there. If any if anything is like any chatbot is present inside a frame, first we have to switch the control of Selenium from the present frame to the like chatbot frame. Then only we can enter the data. Clear up to this? Yes, no.
When we
Yes.
insert that element, we will get iframe. Correct, now?
Correct.
That time we will have
Correct.
to know.
That when you will inspect this one, what I'll show you it. You can see here. This is the parent, okay? The parent of this entire chatbot, but it is present under a division. It is not present under any iframe. If it would be present under a iframe, first of all, we have to switch, then only we can able to do.
Sir, I pasted my code in chat. Can you take that code and show me on this one? I think this website was different one. I couldn't do in this one. That was not the chat. It was not the chatbot.
Which one is not the chatbot?
The code which one I pasted. Can you just
Just
make
a
a new
minute.
class and
Just a
yeah.
I have a question for this chatbot.
Yeah, sure.
If I need to check that whatever we have entered that is correct, how can we
Hmm.
do that? Like suppose you entered AI and you hit enter, and how can
Okay.
I check what I entered that is correct?
I didn't get you. That is correct means?
Means how can I do the assertion for that? Like if you type something
Hmm.
and I love AI, and
Hmm.
then I want to check whatever it's enter in the chat box that is correct. Means whatever
Okay.
I entered that is the same thing.
Hmm.
How can we
How
do that?
how we'll get to know that what the text we have if I'm writing here as like this, Whether that
Yeah.
entered value is correct or not, you are asking that, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. After that, it is only there.
Okay.
Mm. I'll tell you. Okay. Here. Okay. What she was asking. Just a minute. Well,
If you want one application called chatbot.com, which has iframe, if you want, you can use that and
just a
to
minute.
show.
Yeah, this one only.
What happened with this?
So when you will, so first I click on the parent iframe, okay?
Okay.
Then I click on the second iframe, click here. And after clicking here, one ad pop-up is coming. I don't know what is the exact word to say that. If you will run this, you will come to know.
Then why you are using your parent frame? No need to use this one.
Oh, I am not supposed to use it here.
No. If you want to switch, let us switch to dot parent frame directly. Why you are using that? Because see, what you did, I am saying that. The first, it was there, no?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one ad I want to handle.
Which ad? This one.
This one. Learn it easy together. I was trying, if you will see in the commented line. So that's why I was using parent here, so that I can come out from that iframe and can go
No,
on
this is
this.
different thing.
But it's inside the iframe only. Right?
Which one? This learn it easy together. It is not. It's a pop-up.
But, so,
Okay. It's a pop-up. And you have what wrong you did here is don't why to use good at driver dot switch to directly. Okay, as per you, what you're saying, if I'm using C, I'll use driver dot switch to parent frame directly. Here, parent frame is what you want to switch to the first one. Here, parent frame means I'm switching to the web page directly.
yeah.
Done without any
Huh.
error.
Mhm.
Your program only I did. I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
changed only one line.
yeah, yeah. So I was
Now
using
this is
that.
coming. You want to
Uh,
handle this, correct?
yeah. I was using that last line to switch to the parent frame. So because I was thinking, and I don't know, I inspect also, it was showing me that this pop-up is inside the iframe. So I was thinking I need to go back again to the parent and
I,
then
I also came back to the parent only, But that is different thing what you are showing, correct? That parent frame is what you have located here. But you need to come to the web page. Mm.
So those pop-ups are considered as a separate windows, right? Like the way that we
Yeah,
find
yeah,
out.
yeah. See, in some of the cases, it is present in the same window also. We can say like that. By seeing the visibility, we have to work on that.
Mhm.
Now it's depend on the web page and when that pop-up will appear. Okay. Hmm. Exception we got. No such element. Exception. Fine. Okay. This one I'll tell you once, okay? Because I don't want to waste time. I'll tell you this one, fine?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
keeping this code, I'll tell you that. Okay?
yeah. Yes, sir. Thank
Just 1 minute. Someone has given me. I got your question. I'll tell you that. But it can be done. It's not like that it will be not happen. It can be done. Okay. You can see here. Hmm. Nice. This one only I was saying. Let's do this. Uh, Right. Expert. हाँ महावीर, हाँ कह ଟିକେ 5-10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେ, କରୁଛି ହେଲା। Okay, you can see here after clicking this, I'll be able to enter data. Hmm? No such limit exception. Okay. See here. What is the issue? You can see where it is present. See, you can see that this is getting highlighted or not. Left side. Chatbot is getting highlighted,
Yes.
but where this chatbot is present?
In iframe.
Correct. That's why I'm getting what exception?
No such element.
Because that is this element not present in the present UI. To click over there, we have to switch the control of the Selenium first. Hmm? Why? Mhm. Okay, guys, we'll do this tomorrow morning. Okay. I'm having another class. Once I'll do that. We'll do tomorrow morning. I'll do this. Okay.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.